MoneyLion Instacash usually stops working when your bank connection breaks, your eligibility changes after a risk check, or your account can't complete real-time verification before the cash advance is approved. By the end, you'll know exactly why Instacash isn't working, how to fix it step by step, and what to check so your cash advance goes through again. Start with your bank connection. Instacash depends on a live connection to your bank account. If your login expires, your bank updates security settings, or your account gets flagged for unusual activity, the request can fail before it even processes. Reconnecting your bank inside MoneyLion forces a fresh sync and clears most connection issues. Next, check your eligibility status. MoneyLion reviews your account activity before approving Instacash. If your income pattern changes, your direct deposits look different, or your account activity doesn't match what they expect, access can be temporarily restricted. That can make Instacash appear broken, even though it's a qualification issue. Now look at verification delays. If MoneyLion needs to re-verify your identity or banking details, Instacash can pause until that process is complete. This often happens after a password change, phone switch, or new device login. Completing any pending verification inside the app usually restores access. Another issue is instant transfer routing. Some banks don't fully support fast cash advance transfers, or may delay incoming funds for review. When that happens, Instacash may fail or get stuck in pending, even though MoneyLion already sent the request. Also check for app and system sync issues. If the app hasn't refreshed correctly or is running an outdated session, it may not show updated eligibility or balance data. Logging out, updating the app, and reopening it forces a clean reload of your account information. Now consider repeated attempt blocks. If you try to cash out multiple times in a short period, the system can temporarily block requests to prevent fraud or overdrafts. Waiting before retrying usually resolves this without needing support. Here's the simple breakdown. Instacash stops working because of broken bank connections, eligibility changes, verification holds, bank transfer limitations, app sync errors, or temporary risk blocks. Do this next. Reconnect your bank account first, then complete any pending verification steps, update the app, and wait a short period before trying another cash advance request. Make sure your account activity is stable before retrying. If it still doesn't work, check with your bank to confirm they allow instant cash advance deposits, because many failed Instacash requests are blocked on the bank side rather than MoneyLion. Fixing those steps resolves most Instacash issues without needing extra support.